Wait a minute, let's rewind to where this all started. I thought it'd be fun to do a Halloween projection this year, so step 1 was get a projector. Step 2, project a white screen at the house and take a photo. Step 3, download Blender and use the photo to make a 3D model of the house. Step 4, download some zombie animations from Mixamo. Step 5, spend a week making animations with Blender. Step 6, create some zombie sound effects and edit the video together. Step 7, pop the projector in a waterproof box. Thanks for watching, guys, hope you really enjoyed that. It's been a really fun project to work on. Like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.